Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off-campus drive from the Cognizant company. They are hiring pass out batch 2022. Okay, so 2022 campus hiring, the Cognizant is conducting for the pass out batch 2022. Okay, so there are multiple job roles that are available and you can apply. For the first one is advanced Java .NET Python developer. Second is full stack software engineer Java and .NET. Then digital user experience engineer, IoT engineer in that Java and .NET, data scientist, advanced C and Unix developer, AWS infra developer, Google engineer, cyber security engineer, performance engineer, quality engineer. Okay, so there are multiple job roles are available. Okay, so for the fresher candidate they are hiring for the CTC of 6.75 LPA. Okay, so 6.75 LPA will be your CTC per annum. Selection criteria, there will be skill based assessment followed by technical and HR interview. Okay, so why you should join Cognizant company? From internship to higher education, we have you covered. Okay, so you can apply. Okay, so LinkedIn, on the LinkedIn, top company for career growth, ranked 19 on Forbes world's best employer list. Then Forbes best employers for diversity, one of the Fortune most admired companies for 12 years in a row. Okay, so Gen Z next hiring workflow, there will be first one will be your registration. While registering, select one role from the Gen Z next profile. That means you can select any role out of this that you are interested in. Suppose you are interested in quality engineer, then please select this one. Okay, so as per your criteria or as per your preference, you can choose anything. Okay, so while doing registration, select one role from the Gen Z next profile. Okay, then after registration, you will get one mail for the skill based assessment test. Okay, then once you crack round 1, then meets Gen Z next cutoff score. If you fit into the or if you crack the first round, means if you get minimum cutoff score marks, then also you will be shortlisted for the next round. Okay, then round 2 will be technical or HR interview. Okay, so if you meet elevate cutoff, means suppose cutoff is 50 and you got 49, then they will keep you then they will put your interview in the queue. Okay, and that interview will be conducted in the September month. Okay, so like that, once you crack round 2, then you will be selected for the generation C next. Then found if you found a suitable candidate for Gen Z Elevate, then they will provide you the offer letter directly within some days. Okay, so candidates who fail to secure a minimum cutoff in the Gen Z Next skill based assessment will be eligible for Gen Z Elevate test process. Okay, so those candidates who will fail to secure a minimum cutoff score in the Gen Z Next skill based assessment will be eligible for Gen Z Elevate test process. Direct Gen Z Elevate interview process. Role availability is based on business demand and a candidate will be automatically mapped to an adjacent role. If demand for the self profiled role is fulfilled, the final role mapping will be dependent on the candidate performance in the skill based assessment and final interview. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria? This is going to be an off campus drive for the 2022 batch. So BE BTech ME MTech MCA MSc IT students from 2022 batch, branches are allowed: computer IT, information science, electrical, electronics, electronics and telecommunication engineering, information science, um, and allied branches only. Okay, so students should possesses consistent academic record with minimum 60% or greater in 10th, 12th or diploma, undergraduation and post graduation. Suppose if you have not done your post graduation, then not a problem, you can still apply. Okay, so all subjects will be taken into consideration and calculated as below. Aggregate percentage equal to the formula they have provided here. Okay, so if your marks are in CGPA, then please convert it into uh, percentage. Student with standing arrears or more than 2 years gap in education are not eligible. If you are having 2 years of education gap, you can apply, but your gap should not be more than 2 years. At the time of joining, recruits should have an overall aggregate score of 60% or greater. Okay, so all subject will be taken into consideration with no standing arrears. Aggregate for the student who have applied for re-evaluation and are waiting for the result will be derived based on the initial score. CGPA to percentage conversion will be considered as per university norms, and opportunities are open only to Indian nationals. Okay, so student, this is a student, this information is for the student. Okay, so mandatory documents for the registration link will be shared with college TPOs, and the student must scan and upload below mentioned document into a single PDF while registering. Resume attached with passport size photograph, then your college ID card, all academic document including the school certificate and college semester mark sheet, then government ID proof, that is Aadhaar card or passport front and back, or PAN card if available. Documents for the interview, you need to carry these documents whenever you will go for the interview. Okay, so students should carry a soft copy of the following document during the online interview. Resume maximum of 2 pages with a high resolution passport size photograph. Okay, so please attach your photograph in your resume. Please note that the photograph should be clicked in a light background with both ears of the candidate must be visible. Your college ID card, then all academic documents including the school certificate and college mark sheets. Okay, then your government ID proof, anyone will be fine. If you are having Aadhaar card, then you can carry that. Okay, not necessary to carry all these. Profile information, the job description for all the roles in Gen Z Next will be given in the portal, and the candidates may select any one role during the profiling. Candidates will be expected to possess strong programming skills along with at least basic knowledge of higher order skills for the Gen Z Next role selected. Okay, so whatever role you will select out of these, you should have basic knowledge about that. Okay, so whenever you will go for the interview, please read about that role, what will be the roles and responsibilities, what is meant by that, like that. Okay, so please try to gain some knowledge from that. These skills will need to confirm during self profiling and will be verified through the assessment and interview process. Placement office information, colleges need to authenticate the marks of the candidate via the college administration department records prior to sharing the students database and registering them for the cognizant recruitment process. College placement officer need to ensure that only those students who meet the cognizant criteria can appear for the department for the placement process. Okay, so this is the disclaimer, and all these things they have mentioned. So dear batch 2022, please apply for this off campus drive. I have already opened this link here. Okay, so you can check here. Cognizant invites you to Superset to apply for its Gen Z Next 2022 position. Complete the registration and apply. Click on the start registering button, then enter your mail address. Suppose if I enter click on next, enter your mail ID here, and again click on apply. Now click on register and apply. Okay, so now you need to fill all these details. Okay, so once you fill all these details, okay, so all these details, then click on save and next. You will go to this page, contact details. Okay, now this is basic details page. You can see here, this is basic details page. Once you fill all these details, click on save and next, then fill contact details. It will open here. Once you fill all the contact details here, then again click on save and next, then you will redirect to current or most recent education, then again fill all these details. Okay, so like that, once you fill all these details, apply for job opening. Okay, then you can apply. Like this, you can register for this Cognizant Off Campus Drive. Please apply for this drive. Thanks for watching this video.